Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're working on a BMW i8. It's a buddy of mine's. He stated that the car started misfiring and trembling when put on sport mode, which activates the 3-cylinder turbo engine on this vehicle. This is a hybrid car, so that engine charges the system, the battery, the big battery, the high voltage battery, and it also, when you put it on sport mode, gives you extra power to run the car and shred and go fast. So with that being said, I have some codes that I pulled up on the car, and the main one that's causing most of the problems is the P0087. And I tested the fuel system, and I noticed that the high pressure fuel pump is going bad. So let's get to it and show you guys where this is at. Let's get it. All right, so the engine is in the back here, so I gotta open that up and get that open, the hutch open. There you go, it's open, and now we can access this area here. So we gotta remove this cover here. Let's get it. All right, with that cover out the way, we have another styrofoam cover here. I'm gonna take that off, and then we have a few screws here so that we can access the engine. So let's get those out the way and get this thing out. Let's get it. There you go, guys. Now we can access the engine itself, and yes, we got one more cover. Let's take that thing off. There you go, guys. And that cover is removed. And now we can access the high fuel pressure pump, which is right here, right on top of the engine. So in order to do this job, we have to disconnect the battery in the front, the 12-volt battery for the engine. So how you do that, you open the front, you pull on this tab here and on the other side. So that's why I have the doors open, and now we can close them and disconnect the battery. So close them, this one, there you go. And now we can open the front, but there's a way to get it to stay open, because it doesn't stay open. You have to put a screwdriver on there. So let me do that real quick. All right, with the screwdrivers installed, there's a little hole here. You slide it through there on both sides, and it'll keep your hood from closing in your face. And now we're gonna remove the battery terminal here so that we can disconnect the power going to the engine. So let's get it. All right, guys, so first step you're gonna do, remove the fuel line from there to the actual pump. Disconnect the connector. I disconnected this connector as well, so I didn't break it or anything. Move this wire out the way. And now we can access the other fuel line here and remove that as well. So I'm gonna get that done next. Let's get it. Please always replace any part for a BMW with BMW parts. So here's the seal, the gasket that seals the pump, and here's the high pressure fuel pump right in here. And it's from BMW. That's the part number. And this pumps ain't cheap. They're more than $1,000, and that's what you get. So let's replace it. All right, so we've removed the high pressure fuel pump, and it's right here. And we're gonna put the new one in next. Quick tip, when you remove these, always take out the screws, those two screws, evenly when you're taking them out. And also when you're putting it back in, put them in evenly so that you don't damage the pump and it goes sideways and you've messed it up. So with that being said, let's install the pump. Let's get it. There you go, guys. High value food pump is in. It's hot today. It's over 100 degrees out here. So that's why I'm at a little out of breath. So these lines here go to 25 to 30 nanometers. The ones that mount, you know, these little nuts, they're 17s. And then the Torx that mount the fuel pump in here, they go to 10 nanometers. And make sure you tighten them like that, like I said before, that you evenly tighten these two bolts when you're going in so you don't damage the new pump. So with that being said, it's done. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's hot out here, but you want your dreams to come true, you gotta work your butt off. Let's get it. Sheesh, look at this guy. Oh yeah, driving my boy's whip, getting it right for him. Let's get it.